You look hungry, dear.
I am very hungry.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, dear.
I am sad. He feels sad.
I am full.
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 I am happy.
I am surprised.
I am surprised too.
Surprised is an adjective.
I am feeling cold. Bring me a blanket.
Okay, Grandpa.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome, Grandpa.
I am so thirsty.
Here you are, dear.
Ah, thank you. That's better.
You're welcome.
I was so thirsty.
I walk slowly in park. I walk slowly in park. I walk slowly in park.
I am so bored. There's nothing to do. I am bored.
It is hot today.
Who? It is hot.
It is hot today.
Who? It is hot.
It is hot today.
I am busy. I am busy typing and reading my papers. I am so busy. He is very busy.
I am free. Free to stand up and stretch. Free to move my arms wide. Adjectives describe things.
I am early. Yes, you are early.
I am early.
Yes, you are early. I am early. Yes, you are early.
I am late. I am late. I am late.
I am lucky. I am lucky. I am lucky. I am lucky. I am lucky.
I am okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am okay.
That's good.
I am okay.
Okay.
I am good at English.
Me too. I am good at English.
I am good at English.
Yes, we are good at English.
I am good at English.
Good at English.
I am new here. Welcome. I'm happy to help. Thank you. That's very kind. Of course. Let's go this way.
I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong.
Oh. Oh.